Well, welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is our third video on WordPress tutorials. My name is Sam Rangel. Again, this is step-by-step tutorials.wordpress.com. Today we're going to do two things. We're going to add an image, and then we're going to add a page. So let's get right to it. So we're going to go first to our dashboard. I already logged in, so we'll go to Site Admin, and here we have our dashboard. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a page. So let's go right here to Pages, down here. I'll click on this, and they start you out with an About page. And this is your first page that they give you, and if you notice, they already have some words in there. So this is an example of a WordPress page. You can edit this to put information about yourself or your site to read it out. Okay, whatever. So we're going to delete this because this is not what we want on our page. But every blog, every website's got to have an About page. I always like having a different title instead of About. I like having About Me. About me. That's okay. And so now I'm going to type in information about me and about this site. So watch how fast I type. Watch this. Alright, there you go. Wow, it's fast, wasn't it? Yeah, so let's go over this real quick. I created this page to talk about, to tell people what I do here. So let's read this real quick. My name is Sam Rangel, and I want to thank you for visiting step-by-step tutorials WordPress.com. I've been a school teacher for over 20 years, and I've been creating websites for around 10 of those years. Many of my friends and relatives have asked me to teach them how to create websites, so I decided to make a site where they can find out how to build their own internet presence. Let's change that to place. Either for a business they have or just to share their personal thoughts with the world. WordPress is a great program that allows people to create attractive and functional websites, and the best part of WordPress is that it is free. I'm creating video tutorials that I will post on this site to help people create websites. I don't expect to be able to teach everything WordPress has to offer. There's so much that I still don't know, but what I do know and what I learn, I will share with you. Be sure to stop by often and subscribe to the RSS feed so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Thanks again. Building websites is easy. Let me show you how, Sam. And let's change this so that it connects with the site. Let me show you how, step by step. That sounds cool. Alright, Sam. So now watch what happens. I'm going to make this, I'm going to update this. And now when I go to my site, I'll go to About Me up here. See how it changed the name? And then when I click on it, there is my About Me page. Now, a page is different than a post. A post is something that you write, and then another post will take its place when you write a new post. It kind of it moves. It when you add a new post, the previous post will move down in the list. But a page is something that is going to be there. You create it and then you forget it. So up here you have your home, and then you have About Me, and then if you add more pages, they will show up here as little tabs, and those pages stay. They stay there, and people. This is the About Me page, or the About page, is the page that people go to first to find out what it's all about. So let's. So that's how you create a page. Now I want to go back, and I want to add a picture. So let me show you how to add a picture. Go to my dashboard. I go to my page. Now I go to my About Me and I edit it. Now let's throw a picture of me in there. Now I had a very hard time finding a picture that I was happy with, and I'm still not even happy with this picture, but it's all I got. So if you want to throw a picture in there, and this could be on your post, this could be on your page, it's the same kind of setup. Up here, you look up here, there's a little box, and if you keep your mouse on that, or your cursor, it says add an image. So let's click on that, add an image, and you go add me files from your computer, or from a URL, a website, or from your library. I already have that one, but let's go to my computer and I'll show you how I do it. I go to select files, and then I go to this one, which is my Samet. You can't see that, can you? All right. So here's my window. So Sam at the beach, that's me. I open it and watch what happens. It crunches it and it pulls it up here. That's me right there, and that's my little girl. And right here, the alternate text. Always put some alternate text. It just helps you get noticed easier by Google. So I like to put something like Sam from step-by-step tutorials.wordpress.com. It just so that the name of the picture has a name. Okay. Link URL. This is if when they click on it, it'll pop up the picture, and you can leave that there. That's fine. And then alignment, I pick none. Full size, we can change that later. I'll show you how. Insert it into post. Okay, so there it is. There I am. And you notice I want to bring that down so that it's up by, the picture is by itself. Now when you click update, watch what happens. Okay, it's all set. Go to view page and open a new tab here. And there it is. About me, my little girl with Shell. And it tells what I wrote earlier. Okay, so that's how you include a picture into your post. And you can resize the picture, you can move it to the right, you can move it to the center. There are different things you can do. You can crop it, and that just way, you know, if you want to mess with the picture, you can do that. So that's how you include a picture. All right, and so we've learned today how to include a page, and we learned how to include a picture. So with that, now you can start adding more elements to your website. So we're going to move on in the next video with something more detailed. We're going to add a video, because all these videos I'm creating, I'm going to start adding them into the website, and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so until then, this is Sam Rangel from step-by-step tutorials.wordpress.com. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.